Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use media queries in WordPress. Media queries are a fundamental part of responsive web design, allowing your website to adapt beautifully to various screen sizes and devices. They enable you to apply different CSS styles based on characteristics like screen width, height, and orientation. This ensures your content is always presented optimally, whether a user is viewing it on a small smartphone or a large desktop monitor, enhancing user experience significantly. To implement media queries in WordPress, the safest and most recommended approach is to add them to your child theme style CSS file. Alternatively, you can use the customizer's additional CSS section for simpler changes. Avoid modifying the parent theme directly, as updates will overwrite your customizations. A basic media query structure involves @mediascreen and max width, 768 pixels, followed by your CSS rules, ensuring your site remains flexible and future-proof. Common breakpoints are crucial for targeting different devices. For instance, screens under 768 pixels often represent tablets and mobiles, while those under 480 pixels are typically smartphones. You can use max width for smaller screens and min width for larger ones. For example, to increase font size on smaller screens, you might write @mediascreen and max width, 768 pixels, body font size, 16 pixels. This ensures readability across all devices. After implementing your media queries, thorough testing is essential. Utilize your browser's developer tools to simulate different screen sizes and orientations, ensuring your design responds as intended. Adopt a mobile-first approach, designing for the smallest screens first and then progressively enhancing for larger ones. Remember to optimize images and other assets to maintain fast loading times, as performance is key for a great user experience on all devices, from a small phone to a large desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.